welcome.
Welcome to another episode of Bourbon and Booze. It's Monday, it's Oddity Day, and we're so glad you're here. Hopefully you're staying warm because it's been really cold. Really cold. Frigid. Got great news.
The roads are almost not icy.
Great news, Andy's had a job change, and the crowd said, yay! So maybe he will be on time, show up, sober.
What do you mean? I came up here before 6 o'clock. I got a text, 6 o'clock we record. Nobody's here. I built a fire.
He's still building that fire, by the way.
It was poor timing to make that joke when you're the late one today.
Yes. We were running late, but we're always here. So Andy got a new job, so hopefully that allows us to be a little bit more flexible in our recording times.
Definitely flexible.
And maybe bring you more content because I'm still working on stuff. But hopefully you are here to learn about this great oddity liquor. When we say oddity, we mean...
It's like a... And then there's...
Never mind. When we say oddity, it means non-whiskey. So we're doing gins, vodkas, whatever like that. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe. It does mean a lot to us. And today we're going to do another gin factory. I think this is a second gin factory we've done an episode on. And we really like Gin Factory, even if we haven't done episodes on them. They're really, really good. This is the... which one was this? The Rosemary Gin.
And the gin is something that has really grown on you.
Yes, as we discuss every time we do an episode.
Because it has to be mentioned that we have someone in our family that would just bring the worst gin ever to the house. And
he did that one time.
Okay.
What, 25 years ago or so?
Okay. She's got grown adult children.
Hopefully. So this is the Gin Factory Rosemary Gin from the Gin Factory Distillery, which I believe is in London. It is 43.8% or 87 proof. Oh, Scotland. Sorry. It is Scotland. What do you know? You can read.
I'm just saying.
It's from Houston, Scotland. See? Houston, Texas, Scotland. No, it's imported by a company in Houston. So it's
Houston, Scotland?
It's a small batch Scottish gin at 43.8%, 87 proof, so a really kind of mid-level proofage. No age statement, and the cost is $26.31. $26.31.
Well, really, they don't like aged gin. It's not a typical...
Unless it's barrel aged.
And those are like oddities, which we would be doing on this day. On this show right now, oddity.
Cheers. Even though he's had a job change, I'm still looking for a new partner. So Rosemary Gin, it should have a nice... Actually, it's got a very citrusy aroma to it. The botanicals are pretty nice. A little bit light on the juniper. It's not very junipery. But very floral. I guess you could say rosemary. I don't actually know what rosemary would... I mean, rosemary and thyme that you put in like Italian dressing.
It does have the rosemary taste to it, and I gotta...
It's very citrusy. I like it.
I gotta say that because I've been making the fire, it smells very smoky.
He's still making that fire, by the way. He's never been a Boy Scout. It's got a little bit of heat to it, a little peppery, a little bit of heat, so, you know, it is, 87 proof. Very citrusy, smooth, other than that little bit of bite. No back lingering. It's really good. This is another one of those that I could probably just have as a straight martini with very little additives to it.
And it's like, yeah, with the martini, I really enjoy the martini. And it's like when you shake it with the ice and then pour it, just the coldness of the gin is just like...
Right.
It makes it...
And I think this would also make a fabulous gin and tonic.
Yeah.
Now, we haven't tried any of that, and even though the bottle's nearly empty, this was one of our Advent counters, so...
That's why it's half.
Yeah.
3/4.
I'm actually not even remembering who did gins this year. Oh, Cody. So this stays in the bar? Yes.
It's good.
It's good. I definitely think you should look at it. Gin Factory's got quite a few different flavored gins. I don't know if they have a normal London dry gin, you know, that's not flavored, just the normal botanicals, but I don't know. Tell us what you think about Gin Factory. What's your favorite variation of it? What's your favorite gin to start with? Or gin cocktail? Leave those in the comments too. Cody and I are always messing around with creations on the weekends, so maybe put something in the comments, maybe we'll give it a try and have it on our Friday cocktail hour. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe. Check out Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and merchandise. And remember, tomorrow is Whiskey Day. And tomorrow's a special Whiskey Day, so definitely tune into that. And then coffee on Wednesday, Thursday whiskey, and then cocktails on Friday. Have a good one. Cheers.
Laters.
Oh yeah, I could just drink that straight.
I like it.